Welcome back to another video, and today we are back in the Lake District, but as you might be able to tell, I'm not on my float tube. My good friend Chris has recently taken delivery of this beautiful machine. 17-foot Sea Strike, had fully custom built, exactly to his spec. Bugs are already a problem, and it's absolutely incredible, and we're going to give her maiden voyage today and hopefully put a bit of slime on the deck. So no real plan, we're just gonna, it's more to test the boat today, so we're just gonna get around, make sure everything's working as it should, learn its little bits and pieces you need to know about it, and hopefully catch a few fish along the way. So perch and pike on the menu, let's see what we can do. Yeah, I guess so. I think you want 10 grams on, really. But once we go into the shallows, like pike fishing, you'll be able to go back onto like a 5. But I reckon at the moment you want 10. Let's try the deeper one. Yeah? Well done. Landing it? That was a nice one. Well done, mate. So they are perch, that shoal's perch. We've just got to get on them right. Hey. Charlie. Well done, mate. First one to the boat. Well done. I haven't got my phone on me. I got mine. Get in the photo with him. Got to be in the first photo. Just get a quick video. There we go, skunk is out of the boat. Well done, Jacob. We'd seen the shoulder perch, just couldn't work them out, but Jacob did. All on the jigs then, I guess. Let's do it. Well done, mate. Well done. Yeah. Perch.
No, it's pike.
Oh, it's pike. Oh, it's off, it's off. There's fish here, like topping, not properly topping. Yeah, got one. Perch, small. There we go.
What a little thing.
I'll take it. God, absolutely engulfed that lure.
It's more comfortable than being on a kayak anyway, isn't it?
God. Let go. Come on now. There we go. There we go. Not quite as impressive as Jacob's, but that's my first fish of the day. See if we can get a few more. We seem to have found a bit of a shoal, so we might be in for a bit of fun here. Oh, follow off big pike. Follow off a big pike.
Still chopping big stuff, yeah?
Oh, yeah. Follow. There, sit. Sit.
Yeah, I see it.
All right. There you go. No, I'm on in the Lake District. Yes. No, Chris has got his boat, hasn't he? So he's taking it out. Yeah, I've had 2 followers off a decent pike. I've had a perch, and Jacob's had a reasonable perch, about 35, 36. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Oh, hold on, mate. I've got a fish. Call you back. That's a pike. Hey.
Small.
Aye, yeah. Well, smallish. Cheers, mate. Ah, it's death rolling net. Leave it in the water, let it unroll. That's it. It's your... Hold on, whose line's in the water here? It's on your line.
Oh yeah, it is.
I told you.
No way. I just, is it a trout or is it pike? No, it's pike. I just put it, pike as well. I just put it down quickly while,
That's only just in there. Yeah, we'll get a double photo. Yeah. Well, how's that? 2's up on the boat. Double ups. I had mine on a little shad and you had yours on like a, what was it?
a fox replicant.
Fox rep. Pretty much the same size, are they not?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah. Lovely post-spawn fish. We're going to get these ones back and see if we can get another one. Just seen that fish jump back there.
That was me casting in.
That'll be a pike.
He likes the pipes.
Definitely a pike.
I'm coming beside you, I'll get the net. Oh, is this a good one? Staying deep, like.
Yeah, it's staying deep.
Just, it's not a problem yet, but watch if it goes up that way around the motor. Yeah. There's no rush. There's a nice thing about the boat. It can't go nowhere, so there's no need to rush it. Like. No, leave it for a minute. You'll be alright. Fish is staying down there. That's a nice fish.
That is a nice fish.
Right, it ain't done. It ain't done yet. Like, it's probably gonna have another go. There you go. Told you. Isn't it?
Oh, my arm's burning now. It's not as big as I thought. Like, it looks deep. It looks big when it's deep.
Oh yeah, definitely. Without a doubt, it's a nice fish. Like. Look at that, mate. Well, that is Jacob's first pike of the day. PB?
Definitely.
Definitely a
It's heavy.
PB. Yeah,
heavy.
really fat fish. Like, we seem to have stumbled across something here. We've had perch and pike all pretty much from the same area. So we're gonna not waste any time and get straight back on them. Well done, Jacob. Nice one, mate. You got the net there, Jacob? Is it a good one?
That's what I thought when I'd seen you as well do that.
Be a big perch. Not seen it yet. It's pike. No, it's not. It's a giant perch. Yes. Yeah. Sick.
That is a monster.
Well, how is that for a christening of the new boat? Chris's first perch in his boat, 44 centimetres. What was it, £2.8, Chris?
Yeah, £2.8.
£2.8, which I suppose if it's not quite a PB, but it is a boat record for now. So that's the target set. We've got to try and beat that between us now. Well done, mate. Brilliant start.
Oh yes, he's in.
Well done.
Oh no, it's bird.
Brilliant.
This is
Well done. Oh, I should have hit. Yeah. Not big. No, it's a swinger. No, I'll say putting it in there for a sort of 40 plus. See if we can get a good photo. I can get the hook out of this one. And there's Jacob's perch. Mad little 5 minutes. Chris had his big one. I had one that wasn't worth really looking at, chucked it straight back, and then Jacob had that one. Or he might have had that one before, I think.
7 stripes.
Yeah, it's got a hell of a lot of stripes. Another really fit looking fish.
They're beautifully patterned.
Really nicely marked, yeah. Right, come on, let's not waste any more time. Let's try and catch a real big one now, because we've all caught a few. Well done, Jacob. Well done. Well done, mate.
They are here.
One of these at least. Yeah. I'm about done, I reckon. Yeah. Yeah. Look, no bangs, no taps. You've had that one follow, but that was it. Like, I think when it's like this, when you're fishing from a boat, because of the movement of the boat, your lures just look so unnatural. They're jumping up and down. The presentation's always going to be shit, like. How do you want to do this, getting it back out? I'm very comfortable putting it on a trailer. If you want to back the truck down, I'll put it onto the trailer. I've done it.
We'll tie it off.
Yeah. Where we did earlier.
Do you want to leave the stuff on?
All right, leave it on until we get off.
And then strip it all off.
Yeah, do it once we've got it out of the water. Is this off? Wee. Right, I think that's a good time to try and get off the water, I think. Okay, I think that's probably where we're going to have to call it. We're coming off the water, the weather's got really horrible and the fishing's not very good anymore, so we haven't caught anything for a good couple of hours. Chris had a follow off a pike right at the end there, but not enough to keep us on the water. It's windy, it's raining, and we've got to try and get this boat out of the water, on the trailer, and back home. So, sorry, there's not much B-roll today, but the weather's not been great, and we're learning how to use the boat, so it's been a lot of firsts for us today. So hopefully you enjoyed the journey, and if you've got any suggestions for future content or places we can take the boat and go and do a little bit of fishing, we've got plenty of ideas. Chris is as keen as me when it comes to fishing, so we'll be out a lot, I would think. But let us know what you think. Leave likes, comments, subscribes, all the things you usually do, all the things I ask. I know, really boring, but I really appreciate it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.